So this patient came to me today. She went to the dentist and she had to keep the mouth open wide for doing a dental procedure. When they finished the dental procedure, she could not close the mouth. The jaw got locked and now she's widely open right now. You can see. Normally you see the teeth are kind of close together when you take an x-ray, but the teeth are kind of wide open, and you can see the joint right here is dislocated. So let's see what we can do to help this patient to close the jaw back. Okay? And see. Close your mouth for me. So you can't close, right? Okay? All right. Okay, close. Here, close. That's it.
Oh my god.
You got it.
Yeah.
You did it. Awesome.
Thank you.
Okay. Close your teeth together now. You're done. Easy peasy, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Very good. Thank you.